Welcome to the n8n introduction course. In this first lesson, we'll cover what n8n is and why it's becoming the go-to choice for workflow automation. How much time do you spend on repetitive tasks? Copying data between apps, sending the same notifications, updating multiple systems with the same information. These manual tasks eat up hours every week. But what if we could automate them? That's where n8n comes in. n8n, pronounced n8n, is a workflow automation tool that connects your apps and services together. Think of it as a digital assembly line. You design the workflow once, and n8n executes it automatically, whether that's every minute, every day, or whenever a specific event happens. What makes n8n special is its visual approach. Instead of writing complex code, you build workflows by dragging and dropping nodes, each representing an action or service. You want to save an email attachment to the Google Drive and notify your team on Slack? Just connect the nodes and you're done. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how is n8n different from tools like Zapier or Make? First of all, the fair code model. Unlike closed source alternatives, you can see exactly how n8n works and even modify it for your needs. Second, self-hosting. Your data stays on your server, complete control, complete privacy. Third, no execution limits when self-hosting. Run workflows as often as you need without worrying about quotas. And fourth, developer friendly. You can write custom JavaScript when you need to, but you don't have to. Being open source isn't just about free software. It also means a vibrant community creating new integrations, transparent development, you can see what's coming next, no vendor lock-in, your workflows are yours, and the ability to contribute and shape the tool's future. Now let's think about what you can actually build with n8n, right? So let's say you have an e-commerce store. You can have a system, an automation that automatically processes orders, updates inventory, and sends the shipping notifications. If you're an HR team, streamlining onboarding, you can create accounts, you can send the welcome emails, you can schedule the meetings, stuff like that. Anything that an HR team would have to do manually, you can automate. How about if you need to modify data, right? Like you're some part of a data team, you can extract data from APIs, you can pull that in, you can transform it, and you can load it into a database or some other warehouse. n8n is for anyone who wants to automate work. Business users tired of manual data entry, developers who want to build integrations fast, IT teams needing to connect enterprise systems, entrepreneurs scaling their operations. You don't need to be a programmer. If you can draw a flowchart, you can build with n8n. It's that easy. Now that you understand what n8n is and why it's powerful, you're ready to get hands-on. In the next lesson, we'll walk through installing n8n and setting up your first workspace. Get ready to say goodbye to repetitive tasks and hello to automation.